Hey guys, hope you all have been well and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick tutorial where I just put some fancy music on and I show you what products I use to put this makeup look together. It is a very simple, easy to wear green look. Green seems to be the new trend. However, it's not necessarily the easiest color to wear. So I did use some neutral colors to put the look together and more neutral tone greens. So I hope you all enjoy this tutorial and let's get straight into it. So that is how I created this makeup look that you see here. It's a very easy, breezy, go through tutorial, show you what I'm using, show you how I apply it, and here we have it. If you guys like this makeup tutorial and have not done so already, go ahead and click the red subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you have not followed me on Instagram and are interested in doing so, all the makeup products that I use to put the makeup looks together in all of my videos will be listed there. All you have to do is match my outfit from the video to the photo that you see there. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Until the next video, I hope you all are doing well, taking great care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye guys.